Welcome to this Nāda Yoga tutorial. My name is Marlia and I would love to show you one of these beautiful practices of Nāda Yoga, which uses one scale, adding each step every time and coming back to one, coming back to Sa. You will find the guide of the notes that we are using in the description, and we will start slow, warming up our voices and warming up in terms of finding these syllables, these sounds. When we reach all the way to the top, we will go from the 8 back to the 1, subtracting one step each time. You will see how it goes, and in the beginning we'll take it slow and take it a little bit faster towards the end of our practice today. Tune in with me, taking a deep breath in. Next breath, deep breath in. Beautiful. So the pattern that we are using goes a little bit like this. I will tell you with numbers so that it makes sense. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8, 8, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is our map, and instead of the numbers, which can as well be a practice, we are using the sa re ga ma pa da ni sa and sa ni da pa ma ga re sa on the way back. And we'll start slowly so that you can flow with it, and even if the syllables get mixed up at times, do not worry about it. Just tune in with the frequency of what this makes you feel, and don't worry about if you make some mistake. Feel free to take breaths, inhaling whenever you feel like, and even if you miss a note, come back and join me. So we are starting sa, sa, re, sa, okay? Let's go. Sa, sa, re, sa, sa, re, ga, re, sa, sa, re, ga, ma, ga, re, sa, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, ma, ga, re, sa, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ba, ma, ga, re, sa, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. From the top sa. Sa, sa, ni, sa, sa, ni, da, ni, sa, sa, ni, da, pa, da, ni, sa, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, pa, da, ni, sa, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. Beautiful. Let's do this once again and join with this speed. We're going to go a little bit faster. Ready? Let's go. Sa, sa, re, sa, sa, re, ga, re, sa, sa, re, ga, ma, ga, re, sa, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, ma, ga, re, sa, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa, 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 ni, sa, sa, ni, da, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, da, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, pa, da, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. Beautiful. Continue practicing. There are many practices of combinations of these syllables, the Indian way of creating this metaphysical system of Nāda Yoga, which is an ancient Indian system, and it combines both this form of yoga and continues to be a medicine, is a way of meditation. Sarega ma pa da ni sa. And I love this beautiful practice with the adding one. It helps a lot to stay in the focus and to be in the presence in order to pull it through, and especially as the speed goes faster and faster. In some live workshop that I'm offering, you can try to chant it even faster with me. Join in. Find more information on my website, marliaproject.com. Until then, namaste.